Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, Creatively Sandra. If you are new here, I'm Sandra, and today we have a Year of the Ear swap. Yay! So this is a monthly swap hosted by Mary over at the SisketEars and helped out by Karen at Disney Inside Andy, and it is a swap of ears that we make or purchase from a small shop. We have a theme every month. It is fantastic because you get to see what everybody creates and how creative they are and what interesting things they come up with. So we have a theme each month. Last month's theme was Opposites Attract, and that was a creators only kind of character mashup swap. So that was a ton of fun. These ears were created for me by Sami over at Just Sami Things. There are a mashup of Vanellope or Wreck-It Ralph and Zootopia. So I have Vanellope as Flash and I have Bellwether as Jubilina Bing Bing. So that is awesome. These were so fun. But I'm super excited to get into this month's swap. This month is themed birds. So you could do any Disney bird, duck, penguin, anything related to birds, anything you see that's related to birds. These are always open to interpretation, so it's fun to see what everybody does. It is a no preference swap, although people do post their favorites to try and help out their creator a bit, but you don't have to stick to that. So I know who mine is from, and this is super funny because this is the box that I sent last month and she sent it right back to me. So the person that sent to me this month, I had for last month, and I'll post a video up top about that you can go watch. I sent this month's bird theme to Melodie Phoenix. So you want to check her out. I will keep her channel below along with everybody else's who's participating in this month's swap. Definitely go check them out. It is so much fun to see what has been created. It's so much fun for us to get new ears. Let's dive in. I opened this box because this person and I did a recent pin swap, and so I had to reach in. I did not see what was in the box, but just pulled my package out. But I can see here, I've got something tied up nicely, so I can't see, so we're gonna put the box down. And I got a beautiful Aladdin postcard. Very, very pretty. Sandra, for the record, this card is not a hint. Okay, well that's good because there's no bird in here. Well, they are flying on a carpet. Could be related. I had so much fun learning a new craft to make these for you. I hope you like them. Love, Karen. This is Karen from Disney Inside Andy, and I got to send to her last month, which was super fun. I'm very excited to see what she's done. Karen always creates really cool stuff, and she's always trying something new. They're just, they're very unique, but awesome. I shouldn't say but awesome, unique and awesome. And so I'm just dying to see what she has added for me. I put down a lot of things. I do have favorites, as far as bird characters, but I'm open. So here we are. New craft. What is that? I've seen her do lots of things. She's even done some resin like I've done. And I can't tell from the back of these at all. So here's what I'm seeing. Oh, I can see the front. When I turn that around for you guys. Oh my gosh. Karen. Wait, new craft? Seriously? No way. No way. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've got to retire. Thank you, Sami. You guys are not going to believe this. Karen. Okay, you can't be new and have done this. Look at these. They are knitted ears. Knitted or crocheted? I think. What? And they are Alice in Wonderland obscure bird characters. So this is the pencil bird. That is so cool. Jake, you are going to be so jealous of my ears. And the hammerhead bird. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. And look at her bow. Who does that? Who knits a bow? Karen, how? Knit, crochet, they've got to be crochet. So is this a, guys, I don't even know. How did you do this? Like, I can tell this is crocheted. I've seen some of that like punch stuff, but it can't be that. It's got to be crochet. Karen, okay, message me right away because I need to know how you did this. But these are the coolest. Look at these birds, guys. This is so fun. Okay, and then the back is like this velour, maybe feltish. And what are these stuffed with? All right, we got to talk. And so one of the fun parts of this is we learn from each other, get ideas from each other. I want to know how she did this. I want to be as cool as she is and say I've knitted ears. Okay, how many of you have knitted ears? I do now. Knitted, crocheted, I don't know, but it's something. This makes me think it's crocheted, this border. But how cool is that? And if she did do some kind of punch thing, how did she do the rest of it? I don't get it, but I'm in love. You guys, these are so cool. I can't wait to wear them. I'm going to Disney Springs next week, not the parks, but I may have to bring some airs and wear them. I love these. And you guys know I love bright colors. That's one of the reasons I love Alice in Wonderland. It's one of the reasons I love Up and Vanellope. I wore my Up t-shirt thinking she was going to do Kevin, something with Kevin, but I am so surprised and delighted with these. These are awesome. This is very cool, Karen. You have upped the game here. So I'm gonna get more info. So that's my ear swap. I'm so excited about these. These are so fun. And look at the perfect colors. I can't stop talking about them. I was gonna end the video. Okay, guys. Go down below, watch everybody's video. Go watch what I sent to Melodie Phoenix this month and enjoy. These are so much fun. I love it. I look good, right? Thank you so much, Karen. I just can't imagine the work that you put into these, and I'm so grateful. Thank you. Thank you for your friendship, and thank you for running this swap along with Mary. Mary, thank you for always including me. And you guys, I will see you on the next one. This is so much fun. Watch all the videos down below. I'm repeating myself because I'm flabbergasted here. Anyway, I will see you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.